Greetings one and all. Welcome back to my kitchen here today, where I am going to be making another carnivore diet special. This time I'm going to be making chicken carbonara, or carbonara chicken. Chicken carbonara, I think. So, to make a carbonara in the carnivore style, but also trying to be authentic as well, I've got here a nice piece of guanciale, which is our Italian ham, which is made from the cheek of a pig, and it's very simply made. It's not processed or has lots of curing things on it. All it is used is it's aged, which is its main attribute, and there is salt and pepper, but that's it. And it is going to sort of help us to make our like creamy sauce. So even when you're not doing carnivore diet, using cream in a carbonara sauce is a big no-no. This is what we use to get it creamy, or one of the things. All right, I'll cut that up into small pieces. Alrighty guys, so I've just like I say, I've sliced and then cut into small strips, about 120 grams of my guanciale. Now here I've got a cold fry pan, nothing in it, no oil, nothing like that, no butter. I'm just going to put my guanciale in there, and what we're going to do is render the fat out of this beautiful pork cheek. So to do that, like I say, start with a cold pan and then just put it on a moderate to high heat, not too high, and just let it slowly come up to heat and let the fat slowly render out. Alrighty guys, so I've finished rendering the fat out of that guanciale. So I'm left here with some crispy bacon, well, crispy guanciale chips. Some of those I'm going to put aside for garnishing, but the rest, they're just consider them cook's treats. You can just eat them as a nice little yummy snack. Yummo. But what we're left here in the pan, I don't know if you can see that, but we've got lots of that guanciale fat rendered out, and that's still quite warm. In this little container here, I've got 2 egg yolks, just cracked open. I've got my whisker here ready to go. And I've got a little bit of warm water just to help things along. Now the first thing I'm going to do is just give my egg yolks a little bit of a whisk, just with a drop or two of that hot water. Let's do it. Alright guys, Now next, I'm just going to add a little bit of that fat at a time. I'm going to use all of it, but just add a little bit to start. Let's get the rest in there. Alrighty guys, I've got that all mixed up now. I'm just going to put that aside temporarily. I've got my small fry pan there, just back on a moderate heat. There's still a little bit of that fat in there, not much. Most of it went into that sauce. Now with that sauce, as most of you know, if you're making authentic carbonara sauce, you would also add some hard cheese like pecorino, but I'm leaving that out. But feel free to add it if you're doing the version of carnivore diet where you can add cheese. Alrighty, now next here I've got one chicken breast that I've already pre-sliced just into strips, sort of rough like so. And in that fat there, I'm just going to give those a little bit of a cook and sort of lay them out separately. It's not like a stir fry, or can be, doesn't matter. We're just cooking them. Alrighty guys, once our chicken strips there are cooked through and they're still piping hot, I'm just going to quickly whack them into a bowl here. I'm going to get my whisked up egg and fat mixture. Nice and creamy. We're going to toss our chicken through there. I'm going to get a bit of salt in there too. We're just going to let that sit just for 2 or 3 minutes. Alrighty guys, so I've served up a plate here of my chicken carbonara. It's looking really good. Really happy with the end result, the consistency. Oh, it's nicely coated with that sauce. Let's just have a bit of a close-up look. Give it a taste. Yummo. That's really nice. And yeah, it's got these lovely little guanciale chips all over it. Give it a nice little hint of saltiness, and it's just a really nice dish and easy to make, as you saw. Yeah, not much more I can say about it. I hope you give this one a try. Alrighty guys, thanks for watching. Thanks to everyone who has subscribed to my channel. You guys are awesome. Thanks so much. Sticking by me while I'm just experimenting a bit. And yeah, if you're new to my videos, or you've watched a few but you haven't subscribed yet, can I just ask you hit that subscription button? That would be great. And I will see you all next time.